Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to remove files and folders. So to remove a file, one thing I do want to mention is if you remove using the command line, it is a permanent removal. So you cannot go back to your rubbish bin and undo it. So make sure you be careful. You don't want to be removing some system files. So with that little disclaimer out the way, so how do we do it? So in this folder called Epic, I've got these 5 text files, file 1.txt, file 2, all up to file 5. To remove it, to remove the file, you just do rm, then the actual file name or the file location. And because I'm in this direction, I'll put the file name, so file 1.txt, click enter, and there you go, it's being removed now. If let's say I want to remove multiple files, so all of these or anything that has let's say file at the start and then the rest of the characters we don't care about, you can do rm file asterisk and this will remove everything in there that has that. So if I create, let's say if I duplicate that and I'll rename it so it says hello instead, and if I click enter, as you can see it's deleted everything that matched this format, so file, then some other characters if there were any characters. So how do we actually, so we got this, let me just duplicate this a few more times. How do we actually remove a folder? So if I go up one, cd, so how do I remove this epic folder? You might be thinking, just do rm epic, it says cannot remove epic, it is a directory. Does that mean we cannot remove directories? No, it doesn't. You need to put the -r command on parameter. So you do that, -r which stands for recursive, which basically means go through that folder, go through every file in there and every folder and its files and folders and remove all of that. So now, as you can see, there's the epic folder, and if I was to click enter, boom, done. It is now gone. So that is how you remove files and folders. If you have any questions, feel free to pop me a message, and as usual, I look forward to seeing you in the next video.